Importance of lean metrics. Efficiency is the core of every company's profits. Maximizing the productivity and reducing waste are the top priorities. So, how does the firm achieve these? The answer is simple, by applying lean principles. Lean operations reduces labor and material wastage and boosts productivity. At the same time, they also improve the level of production. Lean management includes keeping minimum inventories according to the need. It also involves minimizing the transportation losses and downtime. Lean metrics are important for a successful lean operation. They help in making business sustainable. As lean improves efficiency, employees can focus on innovation. In the end, the product developed has a great quality and fewer bugs.